AB are 2 points on the line AB. You can see here. The perpendicular bisector of line AB has gradient 2 over 3. This line is perpendicular bisector. What does perpendicular bisector mean? This line is perpendicular bisector. So this line is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it makes 90 degree over here. So this is also 90 degree. Bisector means this line, this orange line, it cuts line AB at midpoint. So this is midpoint. This is midpoint of line AB. So this point is not the midpoint of this perpendicular bisector. It is the midpoint of line AB. So that's why we call this line, orange line, perpendicular bisector, because it makes 90 degree angle with AB. It cuts AB at midpoint. So everything is about AB. So this line is cutting line AB at 90 degree. It cuts line AB at midpoint. So let me calculate this midpoint. So the formula of midpoint is, this is the formula of midpoint. Okay, so let me call this x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. So plug in the values here to calculate the midpoint. X1 is 5 plus x2 is 13 over 2, comma 10 plus into minus 2, it is 2. Okay, now it is 5 plus 13 is 18 over 2, comma, it is 10 minus 2, 8 over 2, and then after simplification it is 9 comma 4. So this midpoint is 9 comma 4. Now we have to calculate the equation of perpendicular bisector. So we have to calculate the equation of this orange line. So the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. So m is already given. The gradient of this perpendicular bisector is already given. So it is y is equal to 2 over 3 x plus c. To find this c, we have to put a point that lie on this orange line. So what point lie on this orange line? And this midpoint lies not only line AB, this point also lies on this orange line. So we will put this point 9 comma 4 in this equation. We will not put A and B in this equation because A and B do not lie on orange line. We put that point which lie on this orange line. So this is the only one point which lie on orange line. This point also lies on this AB. So this point which lies on orange line will be put in this equation. So we put 4 in y, 2 over 3, x is 9 plus c. So using calculator, 3 and 3 3s are, so it is 4, 3 to the 6 plus c. This come over here, 4 minus 6 is equal to c, and c is minus 2. So c is minus 2. So therefore equation of line is y is equal to mx. M is given, which is 2 over 3x, and plus c, which is minus 2. So this is the equation of line of perpendicular bisector. Before finishing this question, let me tell you, if this gradient is not given, the gradient of perpendicular bisector is not given, so then how to find this gradient? So let me explain you that at the end of this question. To find the gradient of this perpendicular bisector, first we have to calculate the gradient of line AB. So therefore, we will use this formula of gradient. So gradient of line, it will be y2, which is minus 2, minus y1, which is 10, and x2, which is 30, minus 5. So it is minus 12 over 8. So this will be minus, after simplification using calculator, 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are. It is minus 3 over 2. So the gradient of this line is minus 3 over 2. Okay, so the gradient of the perpendicular line, which makes 90-degree angle. So the gradient of perpendicular line, that is orange line. So the trick is, the shortcut method is, take the reciprocal and change the sign. Take the reciprocal and change the sign. So the reciprocal is 2 over 3, and its sign is negative, its sign will be positive. So this is the gradient of perpendicular line. And look, it is same. So the purpose of this was, if this gradient of perpendicular line is not given, how we can calculate in that case. So now I have told you how to find the gradient of perpendicular line, and how to find the equation of perpendicular bisector.